everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add multiple photos in Instagram story. So to do that, let's head over to the Instagram application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to this plus icon or the story section. And in here, go to the camera and here go to layout. Here, there are lots of layout options you can choose from 4 photos, 2, 3, 2 or 6 photos. So head over to I'm just turning over to the 2 photos option, and here go to this button, and here just select your first photo. You can just adjust it with your 2 fingers and then select the next photo, and there goes the second one. Once you're okay with it, just tap on the tick mark, and here goes your multiple photos on your Instagram story. So yeah, this is how easily you can add your multiple photos on your story of Instagram. Hope this video helped you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we will reach you out. Hope to see you in the next video.